Tagaytay is the easiest weekend getaway from Manila, but it also gets pretty crowded and pretty traffic. But what people don't know is that close by is the little Vigan of the South, a heritage town called TAAL Town. And my tour begins at the Goco Ancestral House. After 3 hours, or something like that, could have been shorter without the traffic, we're finally here! Hey, Abs!
There are 2 bathrooms.
She's dressed to the occasion. This is the bedroom. It's like old trinkets. Personalized bed sheet. Look at that. Attorney and Mrs. Raul Goco. So very traditionally alta Filipino. Para akong nagbebenta ng ice cream. To call people because it's a big house, so they can't hear you from below. So you gotta ring the bell.
I think it's better to ring the bell than shout, diba?
Oh yeah, that's a good point.
Right,
I should get a bell in the condo. Be like, Manang.
Especially if you have a bigger place, diba?
No, my place is small.
Hollering. The heirlooms, traditionally, when you come to this house the first time, that's called the Taaleño Ilustrado Luncheon. You will always be treated to heirloom lunch or a dinner. They will bring out their heirloom dinnerware. It's not a display. That is where you will eat today.
Heirloom table set. It's Tapang Taal. Well, Taal is known for their tapa. And we're gonna try that because I don't think I've ever tried that. This one takes 6 hours to cook because the tail has like a poison and then they removed it. And then this is bahay kubo vegetables, that's what he said, cooked in gata. And then that one is adobong dilaw. But apparently this is, oops, my hair touched adobo. This is a signature dish.
Burgers and steaks. So let's serve them the best Filipino.
Wow, this Tapang Taal is something else. Yeah, I love the color of the plate.
Yeah.
I made a friend. Hi.
Her name is Mocha.
Hi, Mocha.
Her name was Mocha.
Mocha Cubana. This is adobong dilaw. This one, don't talk with your mouth full. This one, I really like.
Kasi this is actually a heirloom suman. We've been serving this since 19 kopong-kopong. A sticky rice with gata. Why is it not going out? There you go. It is very thick.
Ah!
Right.
Fur!
I think
I want a picture of the cake. Can you get a photo with me, Mika? Lian's chocolate cake is from a bake shop here in Batangas that was established in 1961. So this cake is really, really old. That's like... I lost my math. So this is an heirloom cake to match this vintage house.
It's good. Never tasted anything like it. That's real.
Wow. It tastes like it's steamed. There's a certain like springy quality to the cake. Wow, this is super good. I'm gonna drink it with a Barako coffee. Barako coffee is only grown in Batangas. That's from what I know. It is the Liberica family. That just ended my meal really, really well.
Go on now.
Derek, how long have you been doing tours like this?
For around 9 years.
9 years?
Yeah,
So
9
what
years.
is your favorite spot in the whole town?
Well, that's a very hard. Sa mga houses.
Oh, sa mga houses or sa things to do?
Well, houses, of course, paborito ko yung Goco because that's our base. Pero paborito ko rin yung Apasible House, which we will see later. It's a town of noble heroes who gave their wealth and their you know, everything that they've got for the cause of Philippine independence. One such woman is Doña Gliceria Villavicencio, who was dubbed as the godmother of the revolution by no less than General Emilio Aguinaldo.
Looks like we're in Angkor Wat.
Yeah, it looks like Angkor Wat. This is what we call the family candle because it represents the family. In order to bond your family together in prayers. So one bundle has 3 candles. It represents the father, the mother, and the mistress. Sorry, the children.
Going to this place called Villa Tortuga. Right here, it is where you can dress up in traditional Filipino clothing and they're gonna take your pictures. So it's one of those parang souvenir experiences here. They're closed! My dreams of wearing Filipino traditional wear in this heritage town have been crushed. But come back on another day, they might be open. Hello? Bukas po ba kayo? Sige po, nandito po kami sa harap. They're opening up. This vlogger stops at nothing. I will try and try and try. Ganito sila mag-doorbell dito. Oh, high-tech. Ice cream! Hey kuya, you are gonna make me look like an ilustrado. Alta do sa syudad. Choose your outfit. The boys are getting naked.
Too sexy for my shirt.
Kuya is like, kuya.
Because Taal is foodie town, we are going to eat again. They're known for their lomi, they're known for their empanada, their tapang Taal, their tawilis. But right now, we are looking for the empanada. Okay, we're too late. Ubus na ang empanada.
Let's go to the palengke na lang.
Okay, we're going to the
Tapang
palengke.
Taal, Suman, is there
Okay,
all the
let's
delicacies.
go. Andito na kami sa palengke.
Ayan.
Yung mga tapang Taal, longganisa.
Taal. Yan, kaliwat kanan, tapang Taal, longganisa Taal.
Hello. We're at the market. They're all selling tapa. Sumang Taal, panutsa. Okay, ito ang empanada ng Taal. Looks so pretty. Hi! Subscribe kayo sa YouTube channel ko.
Hello!
Mika Pineda. Sarap pa to?
Yes. Sarap yan.
Gusto ko yung halo-halo eh. Baka lang sarahan ako eh. Ang init. So hot. Until the temperature of the oil is correct. Kasi crunchy siya. It's not oily. But it's hot. But good too. My viewers know that when the food is good, I usually shimmy. And it's good stuff. So ito, tawilis, product talaga to ng Taal. Salt water and the fresh water in the lake make the flavor of the fish really good. That's what they say. Now this is famous here. Halo-halo sa car wash. I smell the langka. So this is the famous halo-halo sa car wash. Sir, may nagpapa-car wash pa rin ba dito? Or they just
Wala
go for
na
the
yung car
halo-halo?
wash eh. Yung halo-halo na lang.
How was it?
Awesome. It's such a heritage-full day. You should come try it. Come try it.
I didn't expect it to be this amazing. Really amazing.
Fun.
Great lighting. It was great. Amazing. Really good experience.
From 12 to 7 o'clock, we had gone around Taal Heritage Town. There's so much more to see, so much more to do. I really invite everybody to take time, visit Taal, book your tours with Sir Pio Goco. His details are gonna be below in the credits area. It is just so worth it. You know, food, history, everything. Religion even. If you're somebody that is curious about this whole thing, visit TAAL.